The Telegraph also have a job section. It's not specific to education. It's a generic job service, but you do find some education jobs, albeit not particularly often in the international sector, but they do come up from time to time. At the moment, I don't think there are any, but the interface is similar. So when there are international jobs, you just follow the same procedure. You'll see there's not many jobs at all right now. Click Europe. We'll find the jobs are all in the United Kingdom, which is part of Europe, of course. Regardless of Brexit and politics, you can't move the United Kingdom out of the continent of Europe. It would always be physically within Europe. So when you check location, check Europe, you can see, because they've got Europe and a subdivision in the United Kingdom, it would indicate that in other circumstances there may be jobs in other parts of Europe and perhaps other parts of the world, but there aren't at the moment. So it's worth checking once in a while, because again, you may find a hidden gem, or you may find a school recruiting on the Telegraph in the education world for an international school, which is based in the United Kingdom. So they could come up on here, but it does tend to be, as you see, Norfolk-based jobs, by and large, not all in Norfolk, but quite a lot there. So that's the Telegraph, a short but sweet video, just to make people aware that there is this and share your experience. And please like the video. It's a good way to draw other people towards the channel, which means it encourages us to produce more material, which hopefully is helpful for teachers seeking jobs in the international sector. And please subscribe to the channel so you get notifications of when we produce new material, which will come to your YouTube notifications.